my family. Today I want to share with you how I created this glamorous candelabra using Dollar Tree merchandise. If you would like to see how I create it, then continue to keep on watching. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Thank you for watching. Please go ahead and click that subscribe button. Turn on your post notification bell so that you don't miss out on the next new upload. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hanna here. Today I'm going to share with you a glam DIY. Excuse the paint on my hands. I was just trying to create another DIY for you guys and it was an epic fail. And I'm going to decide if I'm going to share that with you guys or not. But right now, we're going to do our glam DIY using Dollar Tree merchandise. So we're going to use some of these bows here from the Dollar Tree. Some of these display easels. You need 2 of those. And you're going to need some of these votives. And that hot glue, glue gun, and permanent glue. Now getting started, you want to take your easels and you want to back them up together so that they're kissing. And that is how we're going to glue them down using our permanent glue and our hot glue. I don't want mine permanent, so you won't see me actually use the permanent glue in this video. You will only see me use hot glue. And the reason for that is because I plan on using certain portions of this DIY to recreate another DIY. So again, add hot glue and permanent glue to the backing of your easel if you're making it permanent. And add some glue to the top portion as well as the bottom portion to reinforce the gluing of the easels. Moving on to the next step, taking your glass dish and your bows. I got these bows from the Dollar Tree, you guys. I love working with these bows for the simple fact that they come about 4 in a pack, so you can get your money's worth for $1. And as you see, I'm just using hot glue. And add your permanent glue. Make sure you add your permanent glue so that it doesn't fall apart. I do recommend you use permanent glue for this part. And I'm just doing an alternating method. I'm just adding glue to the rim of the glass and I'm putting them on top and I'm alternating the design so that they look like glass balls. Then I'm adding more hot glue to the bottom of the easel and I'm going to place it right on top of these balls. Now in this clip you see 3 sections of balls, however I thought that was too low and later added another section off camera, so now you will see 4. Now we're going to add our bling. We have got to glam up the chandeliers, ladies, so this is where the bling comes in. Take a strip of bling. You can use the diamond ribbon wrap or whatever type of bling you have on hand. You can purchase that diamond ribbon wrap right here from the Dollar Tree for $1 and just measure out how much you're going to need and cut it off. Where we're going to put the bling is right between the easel openings. Now this is optional. I wanted it to be closed. I didn't want to be able to see right through it, so I added the bling and I thought it was a good way to add some glam to the chandelier. So simply just cut it and glue it just like that. And you're going to do that to all open sections in between the easel. Alright ladies, next we're going to add more bling. We got to glam it up. So we're going to add more bling to the middle sections and around the middle portion of the ball sections. Now in the middle sections we're going to use 2 rows of bling like you see here and wrap it around to, you know, kind of hide that glue that we use to glue the pieces together. So it's a good way to disguise that. If you don't want to use bling, you can use what other embellishments that you may have on hand. And then we're going to take a single strip and put the bling around the center of the balls. It's just going to be a single strip. And then we're going to add the rhinestones that you see me using right here. Now I picked these rhinestones up from Michael's Craft Store. They come in a big bucket for about $10. Get your bling out and your rhinestones and get the gluing, ladies. Just glue it up and make it as nice as you like. Now this is some leftover pieces that I have from the Christmas shop last year that I got from Hobby Lobby, and then I have some crystal links that I got from Amazon. I would try to find a similar site because I don't remember exactly what site it was on, and if I can find it, I'm going to link it in the description box along with all the other supplies that you will need to create this DIY. So we're going to add some little bit of hot glue, and we're going to glue them on to the sides of the chandelier stems. Moving on, we're going to take these LED votive candles, and I am just going to place them on the very tip. Now underneath the LED candle holders, they have an on and off switch. You want to make sure you do not glue that portion down, that it hangs off the side of the ledge so that the on and off switch is accessible so you can cut it on and off. And that is pretty much it. I'm just going to embellish the candles and add some gems to the very top of my chandelier. And that's going to be it. This is how it looks, you guys. It's so glam and so different. I think it's a lovely piece to add to any centerpiece. You can use it at a wedding event for someone who is really into the bling and the glam. If you have some type of tablescape that you want to decorate and you're using glam as your inspiration, I think this would be a great idea as well. It's low budget, cost efficient, and easy to create. I think in all, I'm pretty sure this was under $10. Pretty sure. So anyway, you guys, I hope that you did enjoy this DIY. And of course, if you did, then you can let me know by giving me a like and leaving me a comment and letting me know down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share the video with those that you would like to share it with, and share it on your social media. These things do help me keep the channel growing, keep our community blossoming. And also, you guys, I appreciate you watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. As always, peace, love, and blessings. Keep that positivity and creativity coming. Bye-bye.